Hello everyone. Today's topic is properties of genetic material. What properties needed in the genetic material? We know that DNA and RNA both are the genetic material. So what properties found in the DNA and RNA which make them genetic material? Genetic material can able to make its exact copy, duplicate copy. DNA and RNA both able to replicate, can able to make its exact copy. It should be chemically and structurally stable. Both are stable, but if we compare RNA to DNA, RNA is less stable than the DNA. How RNA is less stable than the DNA? We will see when will we compare between the DNA and RNA. Third properties needed in the genetic material, it should provide scope for slow change, that is mutation. Slow change and heritable change is the mutation which needed for the evolution, required for the evolution. Both able to mutate, DNA and RNA. DNA slow mutate, RNA mutate faster. It should be able to express itself. Both are able to express itself. So, in the genetic material, some criteria, some properties must be needed. Able to replicate, stability needed, mutation able to mutate and express itself. Four features must be needed in the genetic material. We will see the differences between DNA and RNA according to their properties. Firstly, DNA is the genetic material of most of the organisms. RNA is also the genetic material, but in few viruses like tobacco mosaic virus, in some bacteriophage, viruses of bacteria. In DNA, only one hydroxyl group present at the third number of carbon in deoxyribose sugar. So, due to the absence of the OH group, hydroxyl group from the second number of carbon make it more stable and less reactive and better genetic material. In RNA, two hydroxyl group present at second number of carbon and at the third number of carbon at every nucleotides. At the second number of carbon and third number of carbon of pentose sugar, hydroxyl group present which makes it catalytically more active, more reactive, easily degradable and labile. So DNA is more stable as compared to the RNA, which makes degradable presence of two hydroxyl group at the position of second number of carbon, at the position of third number of carbon of pentose sugar, and at the absent of the from the second number of carbon of deoxyribose sugar, DNA become more stable and less reactive. DNA contains thymine at the place of uracil as nitrogen bases. In the form of nitrogen base, in DNA found adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. In RNA found adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. In the DNA, uracil absent, in from the RNA, thymine absent. Thymine provide additional stability to DNA. Thymine is less reactive as compared to the uracil. Uracil is more reactive. Uracil is less stable. Thymine is more stable and uracil is less stable. So due to the presence of the thymine provide the DNA. Due to the presence of the thymine provide additional stability to DNA, structural stability provided by the thymine to the DNA, and presence of uracil which are less stable makes the RNA less stable. DNA able to mutate RNA mutate at faster rate. DNA able to mutate but slower than the RNA. In the base pair sequence changes, but these changes are very slow rate, but at faster rate RNA mutate. As we have seen in the case of coronaviruses, multiple variants we have seen in the during the corona. Next one is DNA depend on RNA for protein synthesis. DNA needs RNA for its expression in the form of protein, but RNA directly code for the synthesis of protein. So what will be the conclusion? DNA and RNA both function as the genetic material, DNA being more stable and preferred as the storage of genetic information, and RNA help in the transmission of genetic information. This is all about the properties of genetic material which are found in DNA and RNA. I hope you understand.